Hi, welcome to multilinguals.com Learn Haitian Creole. Today we'll be talking about the months of the year, the days of the week, and the seasons. That's Mwa Jou. That means months and days. So let's begin. The first month is Janvier. Janvier. Pay attention to the red letters. That's a nasal vowel sound. Janvier. Janvier. Can you say janvier? Very good. Then we have février. Février. The R sound comes from your throat. Février. It's very much a French R. Février. Février. Then we have mars. Mars. Then we have avril. 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 Also with a French R. Avril. Avril. Then we have mai. Mai. Do not say me, it's mai. Then we have juin. Juin. You have to be very careful here because you have another vowel sound, which is en, which is en. En. If you say Jen, you will be saying young instead of saying June. So you have to be careful. Repeat. Juin. Juin. Then we have juillet. 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 Good. Then we have août. Août. Whenever we have O-U combination, it's another vowel, which is U. We say août. Août. Then we have septembre. Septembre. The AN also a vowel sound, nasal vowel sound. Septembre. Septembre. Very good. This one is octobre. Octobre. Can you see the difference? We have an O sound at the beginning, which is closed sound, O. And then we have A, which is an open sound, which is the O with an accent. Octobre. Octobre. Very good. Then we have Novembre. Novembre. Again, the AN is a nasal vowel sound. Novembre. And then we have the last one, Décembre. Décembre. Remember also the AN sound, nasal vowel sound. Décembre. So let's practice all of them together. Janvier. Janvier. Février. Février. Mars. Mars. Avril. Avril. Mai. Mai. Juin. Juin. Juillet. Juillet. Août. Août. Septembre. Septembre. Octobre. Octobre. Novembre. Novembre. Décembre. Décembre. And that was all of the months of the year. Now let's check some words that are useful when talking about the months. For example, the word mois. Mois means month. Un mois means a month. Un mois. The ON nasal vowel sound. Un mois. A month. Mois means the months in plural. Mois. For example, In what month? Imagine that you want to ask something in regards to a certain month. For example, in what month do you study? We could say dans quel mois. Dans quel mois? Na, an nasal vowel sound. Dans quel mois? Dans quel mois? In what month? For example, if we want to say in November, we use the particle na. Na. Because it has a nasal vowel sound, we say na. We do not say nan, we say na. So, for example, in November would be na novam. Or you can also say na mois novembre, in the month of November. Na mois novembre. Well, that was all for the months. Now let's start with the seasons of the year. For example, the seasons is Sezon E. Sezon E. Sezon E. The seasons. We have été, which is summer. Été. Since Haitian Creole comes from French, sometimes you will hear the word l'été, which means the same thing. L'été is the same as été. Here we say automne, automne, automne. There's a difference between the first O, which is O, and the latter one, which is A. We say automne, automne. Very good. Then we have hiver, hiver, winter. Pay attention to the E sound with an open mouth. Hiver, hiver. And you can also find it as l'hiver, coming from French. L'hiver. Both of them are correct. Then we have printemps, printemps. This one can be a tricky one since we have the R, which is a French R, prin, prin, prin. And at the same time, we have two nasal vowel sounds, which is EN and AN. Printemps, printemps. Can you say it? Printemps. Let's practice now some useful phrases with the seasons. For example, we have Moi j'aime printemps. Moi j'aime printemps. This means I like spring. Moi j'aime printemps. Dans l'été, moi aller plage là. Dans l'été, moi aller plage là. Dans l'été, moi aller plage là. That means in summer, I go to the beach. Dans l'été, moi aller plage là. Moi pas aimer l'hiver. Moi pas aimer l'hiver. I don't like winter. Moi pas aimer l'hiver. Okay, that's all for the seasons. Now let's start with the days of the week. Days of the week is, in Haitian Creole, jour na semaine nan. Jour na semaine nan. Those words in red are the nasal vowel sounds. Jour means they. Jour. Jour na semaine nan. Semaine means week. Jour na semaine nan. We have lundi. Lundi. Can you hear the pronunciation of the DI sound? It's very strong. We say lundi. Lundi. Whenever we have the DI combination in Haitian Creole, we are going to pronounce it very strongly. So in the days of the week, all of them are going to end the same way, except for the last one. So we say lundi. Lundi. Then we have mardi. Mardi. Also with a strong sound at the end. Mardi. Mercredi. Mercredi. Here we have the French R in the middle. mercredi, mercredi. Then we have jeudi, jeudi, jeudi. It's not Jedi, it's jeudi. Then we have vendredi, vendredi. The vent part has a nasal sound, and in the middle we have the French R. Vendredi, vendredi. Then we have weekend, weekend. That means the weekend, weekend. And we have samedi, samedi, samedi. And the last one is dimanche, dimanche, dimanche. Very good. That's the days of the week. Now, for example, here are some questions. Qui moi ou pireme? Qui moi ou pireme? Do you remember what moi means? That means month. Reme, did you notice what reme means? It means to like. So here, he's asking me, what month do you like? Qui moi ou pireme? So here, what they're asking is, what month do I like the most? It says literally, what month do you like the most? Qui moi ou pireme? Personally, I like spring, so I like septembre. Moi reme septembre. Moi reme septembre. And you? Qui moi ou pireme? Another question. Qui saison ou pireme? Do you remember what saison means? It's very similar to season. So what are they saying here? Qui saison ou pireme? What season do you like the most? Moi-même, moi aimé l'été. Moi aimé l'été. I prefer summer. Qui joue ou pireme? Qui joue ou pireme? Do you remember the word jour? It means day. So they want to know, what's your favorite day? What day you like the most? Qui joue ou pireme? Personally, I like Sunday, so I can say moi aimé dimanche. Moi aimé dimanche. And you? Qui joue pireme? I hope that you like this video and see you in the next one.